Presenting the 2008 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included.
Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.